Hello crafters, Teresa from Anjurisa here. If you are ready to upgrade your simple bow to an elegant one, we are making a Piper simple bow today. This adorable accessory is perfect for dressing up any outfit. It's available in 5 sizes and you can check out my Etsy for all the patterns. I'll guide you through the entire process for the medium size right now. So let's get started. To create your Piper bow, you will need 2 pieces of fabric for the bow. 1 small piece for the bow center, piping, batting fabric. This is optional and I will explain more later. Sewing supplies such as needle and thread, fabric marker and ruler, fabric clips, scissors, ironing tool, hot glue gun, and your chosen accessory. Don't worry if you don't have a piping foot, as a zipper foot works just as well. Let's talk about the piping. A decorative trim made by encasing a cord in fabric. I'm using store-bought piping to save time. However, if you want to make your own, cut your fabric on the bias for flexibility. 1 inch wide is enough. Then insert a cord as the filling inside the piping. It can be made from cotton, polyester, or other suitable materials. I've covered more about making your own piping in my pattern. The advantage of making your own piping is you can use any fabric you want. Remember, you can always use store-bought piping if you prefer to save time. Next, attaching the piping. Lay one of your bow fabric pieces right side up. Position the piping along the edges. And secure it with pins or fabric clips if needed. Sew close to the cord for a neat finish by using a piping foot. Don't worry, a zipper foot works just fine. Use matching color thread for best results. Now it's time to bring our bow to life. Position the other fabric piece on top, right sides together, and sew both layers together. Turn it inside out. And press it flat. Fold the fabric in half and insert a ruler to mark the center. This is where we will pleat the fabric to shape the bow. Let's talk more about the batting. Batting fabric is a soft, fluffy layer used for adding structure. You can see the difference in this Piper bow, one without batting and one with batting. If you prefer a slouchy and soft look, skip the batting. If you prefer the one with batting, insert the batting to the bow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more DIY projects and turn on the notifications. If you have any questions or if there's a bow design you can't find, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to respond even if using shorts. Now let's give our bow its shape. Fold the fabric towards the center, following the mark we drew earlier. Imagine we are closing a window. Then sew this part to secure it. Don't worry about perfection. Just make sure it's enough to hold the shape, since these stitches will be hidden. Pleat your fabric right in the center. Then secure the pleats with needle and thread for a lasting hold. Choose your favorite accessory, a hair clip, brooch, or beret. My favorite is beret. Apply a generous amount of hot glue to the back of your accessory. Position it carefully in the center of your bow and press firmly. Remember the second piece of fabric we prepared earlier? Grab it now and lay it right side up. Attach the piping to the edges in the same way we did for the bow. Then sew using a zipper foot. Once the piping is attached, fold the fabric so all the wrong sides are hidden. Use a hot glue gun to secure the bow center. Trim any excess fabric and let the glue dry completely. And that's it! Your beautiful Piper simple bow is finished. This Piper bow is so fun that I couldn't make just one. Which pattern is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for crafting with me today and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!